Hi guys, I'm here today to introduce you to our new hero product, the Dualsenses Color Repair and Radiance Balm. The Color Repair and Radiance Balm combines a perfect blend of Luminescine, which transforms non-visible UV light into visible light, creating magnificent color brilliance. The inter-amino-bond-builder supports strength and resilience of the hair. This product has multiple benefits which target the needs of color-treated hair in terms of color brilliance and hair condition. The leave-in balm provides outstanding color brilliance, reduces split ends by up to 99%, protects against environmental pollutants, and protects color against UV light. And it's suitable for all hair types. Just take a hazelnut-sized amount of the product and work through towel dry or dry hair. Don't be afraid to use it on finer hair. We all know that some clients with fine hair are often concerned that their care products can weigh down their hair. The formula works well on all hair types. With the Color Repair and Radiance Balm, they will get a perfect all-rounder with instant effect that their color deserves. If you want to learn more about our Dualsenses products, check out our other videos.